Mitochondrial DNA, mtDNA, replication. Overview of mitochondrial DNA, mtDNA. Location, mitochondrial matrix. Form, double-stranded circular DNA. Size. Human mtDNA 16.6 kb. Strands. H strand, heavy, G-rich. L strand, light, C-rich. Inheritance, maternal. Copy number, hundreds to thousands per cell. mtDNA replication is independent of the nuclear cell cycle. Why mtDNA needs a special replication mechanism? Mitochondria evolved from alpha proteobacteria, endosymbiotic theory. Replication occurs without hist-1s, without Okazaki fragments, mostly using nuclear encoded proteins. Hence mtDNA uses a unique strand asynchronous replication mechanism. Overall mechanism of mtDNA replication. Classical/accepted model. Strand displacement model, asymmetric replication. One strand is replicated first, while the other remains single-stranded for a long time. Key replication origins. Origin. Function. O. Origin of H-strand replication. Starts H-strand synthesis. OL. Origin of L-strand replication. Starts L-strand synthesis. O and OL are located in different regions. Rightward arrow causes asynchronous replication. Step-by-step mtDNA replication, strand displacement model. Step 1, initiation at O. Replication begins at origin of heavy strand, O. Primer is formed from mitochondrial RNA transcript. Enzyme involved. Mitochondrial RNA polymerase, polymd, rightward arrow makes RNA primer. Step 2, H-strand synthesis. DNA polymerase gamma, pol gamma, synthesizes new H-strand. Proceeds unidirectionally. Displaces the parental H-strand. Rightward arrow remains single-stranded. No lagging strand synthesis at this stage. Step 3, exposure of OL. As replication progresses, OL becomes single-stranded. OL forms a stem loop structure. Acts as signal for L-strand initiation. Step 4, initiation of L-strand replication. RNA primer synthesized at OL. DNA polymerase gamma begins L-strand synthesis. Now both strands are synthesized, but not simultaneously. Step 5, termination. Replication continues until both strands are complete. RNA primers removed. DNA ligase seals nicks. Enzymes and proteins used in mtDNA replication. Nuclear encoded, mitochondria imported proteins. Protein. Function. DNA polymerase gamma. Main mtDNA polymerase. Twinkle helicase. Unwinds mtDNA. mtSSB. Stabilizes ssDNA. Polymd. RNA primer synthesis. RNase H1. Removes RNA primers. DNA ligase 3. Seals nicks. Topoisomerase. Relieves supercoiling. No DNA polymerase alpha, delta, epsilon. No Okazaki fragments, classical view. Purpose of mtDNA replication. 1. Maintain mitochondrial copy number. High energy demand tissues, muscle, neurons, need many mitochondria. 2. Support oxidative phosphorylation. mtDNA encodes 13 respiratory chain proteins. rRNAs and tRNAs. 3. Independent energy regulation. Replication not linked to nuclear S phase. Allows rapid mitochondrial biogenesis. Biological and clinical significance. Biological. Supports endosymbiotic origin of mitochondria. Shows bacterial-like replication features. Clinical. Errors. Rightward arrow mitochondrial diseases. MELAs, mitochondrial encephalomyopathy, lactic acidosis, and stroke-like episodes. LHON, labor hereditary optic neuropathy. Kearns, Sayre syndrome. Mutations accumulate due to no hist-1s. High ROS exposure. Limited repair mechanisms. Comparison with nuclear DNA replication. Feature. mtDNA. Nuclear DNA. DNA form. Circular. Linear. Replication timing. Continuous. S phase only. Mode. Strand displacement. Bidirectional. Polymerase. Pol gamma. Pol alpha, delta, epsilon. Okazaki fragments. Absent. Present. Hist-1s. Absent. Present. Mitochondrial DNA replicates by an asymmetric strand displacement mechanism initiated at O, using nuclear encoded DNA polymerase gamma, where H-strand synthesis precedes L-strand synthesis.